Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue related to Netflix offline mode. The issue is that when you try to use Netflix in offline mode and want to download any movie or series, it doesn't work properly. So, how can you fix that? Many users face this issue because they don't have proper guidance and don't know the correct way to handle it. So, I'm going to explain everything in this video to help you fix it. Simply go to the settings of your iPhone and make sure that you are not connected to any network during this process. When you are in offline mode, you cannot use your Netflix account to download movies or series. That's actually false information. Netflix only allows downloading when you are online. To make sure everything works fine, go to Settings, General Software. Update and install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone or iPad. Then scroll down, find Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset Network Settings. After doing all these steps, make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, and ensure that your VPN is turned off during the process. Remember, it's a false statement that you can download from Netflix in offline mode. You must be online to do so? So that's all for this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.